Alright guys, today we're building my bros, my doggy's PC. Not this doggy, this doggy right here.
This doggy just wants a carrot.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Today we have Raphael's $4,000 basically build of everything high end. So first off, as you can see, the mother load, we're keeping it ASUS friendly over here. Got an ASUS ROG power supply, graphics card, and motherboard. Oh my goodness.
It is huge.
We are also gonna go with a white theme. So this is the white edition ROG 3080. This was originally supposed to come in white. But
Thank you, Amazon.
You can always upgrade it to white or change it in the future. But we also have white cable mods. There's another one coming in the mail soon. We got white Unifan from Lian Lee. And we got the... Oh, what's up? What's up? We got the white Phanteks P500A. We have this overload, awesome beast of a processor, a 5900X, which if you're gonna use it, might as well. That's why he got the Crosshair 8 Hero. So both of these in tandem will pack a punch for his gaming build. Supporting the CPU for cooling is the Kraken Z73. This is a 360, Brad?
Yeah, 360.
So it's gonna occupy the entire top. So that'll be fun. And then next we got the white Dominator Platinum 32 gigabyte, 3200 megs. Good to start off for now, upgrade in the future, but still a beast RAM sticks nonetheless. So the cool thing about this build is we are going to be vertical mounting it. So we got ourselves the riser cable, so it'll be awesome. And then for normal storage, we got your Gen 4 fast WD black SSD M.2 form factor, NVME, and then your trustworthy Seagate hard drive for your your hard drive. All right, so we just open the case. This is where you have all your stuff. It even talks about how you install the riser cable, which is very nice. We will need that later. What are these? Are these hard drive cages? Oh, they are. Another hard drive cage and your screws.
I love what Phanteks does with their screws.
So first, before and foremost, before we start putting things in, again, we have one more set of 120 fans of these coming in to put on the rad later. But so we need to take out these Phanteks fans, which I'll be purchasing. But yeah,
With the homie discount.
so what we're gonna do right now is actually update his BIOS first, just for safety, so that we don't just in case anything happens while components are plugged in. So we'll just do this first. All right, so I yoinked out the motherboard cable, and there's Raphael back there. So plug it in. Here we go with that, and then we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy. Ooh, the choice of champions. You're a champion, Raphael. Whoa. Oh my god, dude. Jesus.
What?
You know how like a lot of motherboards come in like a wrap?
Yeah.
This one comes in it's plastic, but it at first looks like a glass case.
Really?
Yeah, dude. And look, there's a little... Oh, I can't even... I thought I can grab that. Damn, this is beast mode. I was like, whoa.
That is a pretty hot.
Igor!
What's up?
Oh, I thought you had a haircut for a second, but
No, I
it's
just
your
have
head.
the headband on.
Alright,
Alright, Raphael, look at this thing. This is so cool. Ooh, just sits there. Welcome to the Republic.
My allegiance is to the Republic.
You can take this thing out. I don't know. I didn't want to touch it. That's your sweet
Yeah,
thing.
you paid for it.
Yo, they give you a coaster.
That's actually cool.
Spend $400.
For a coaster. All right, Raphael. press the button. 1, 2, 2. All right. Cool. Hey, yours is blue. All right, now we just have to wait until that stops flashing and the BIOS will be updated. Okay, so the BIOS just finished. So, just, whoop,
Yep.
and then we'll get on with the rest of the build. All right, so guys, next is the 5900X CPU. This thing does not come with a cooler on its own, sadly, but that's okay because this thing's a beast anyways. So you get your complimentary sticker if you want to put it on your PC case, but I don't know if you want to do this on such a beauty. And so next is the installation on this bad boy. All right, just trying to be careful here. Ooh. So we have a little golden triangle to match with this triangle, or to typically, you know, for a reminder, the Ryzen will always kind of line up with, parallel to this. So just slowly, carefully, just pop it right in, and then you are done with that. Would you like to do this next?
Let's do it, sir.
Okay, so alrighty, sir.
Look at
You're
that
holding-
thing of beauty.
You're holding what, 240 bucks in your hand?
Retail, yeah, so plus tax.
So just for 1 terabyte. Yeesh. Fat fingers, bro. Ooh. There we go.
There we go.
So the next is
Now we're
actually,
gonna do what Cody does best. Screw.
if this thing can not be like this. I almost got it. Brother, I got it. Okay.
Zoomed in on your hand without realizing because I was watching it.
All right, so yep, we'll stick this back into here. Okay, well that was a little pain to put this whole thing back on, but we did it.
It's mostly because we have a shitty screwdriver, but you know,
But
you gotta work with what you have, right?
So Gen 4 slot M.2. Next is RAM sticks. Whoa, hey.
Was that RAM really expensive for a while?
Yeah.
It still is.
We just downloaded this one from the internet, so
Whoa,
it was pretty
dude.
cheap.
They're individually packaged. That's sick. Slaughtered in, brother. Wait. Is there anything about to peel on here?
No, I don't believe so.
There is.
There is.
I was like, why does this look super shiny? Do the sexy peel, brother.
Is there?
Alexa.
It looks like it.
Oh, it's from over here. There's a
Okay.
pull-out tab. Oh.
Ooh.
Is there one on the other side? No.
That's what she said.
There is. Go ahead and pull that out. Okay.
Ignore the doggies. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
It sounds gross.
Yeah.
but-
I'm mostly just being super careful because I haven't done this in 3 years. So I don't remember all the sounds. I spent way too much on this.
The next one.
And each of the LEDs right up here is individually programmable.
Yeah, there you go. Again, it feels and sounds gross, but
It's clicky.
clickied.
All right.
Damn. All right, this thing is huge. There it is, the pump and the rad. Ooh. So right now, Raphael, in order to compensate and get the look he wants as much as possible, he bought white sleeves for the rad so that, you know, the white accents look good with the, or, you know, the mainly white and then the black accents look pretty good. Okay, so we got the standoffs plugged in for the AIO. We have to put the fans on the AIO and then we'll probably put that in last along with all the other fans. So I guess now it's time to just plug this in and get the PSU set up.
We can.
All right, so now that we got these out of the way, because these will be the most headache-inducing cables, that's done. Now the rest is kind of just plug and chug. All right, so we got this installed. Next is
They don't actually make PCIe 4.0 riser cables yet, so these are PCIe 3. Whenever they do come out, I will put it in. I've done my research. Apparently this will not bottleneck the GPU, So we will be fine there.
Cool. All right, so we got that thing screwed down. I think next is honestly, let's reel in the power supply stuff, and then we'll do your radiator and fans, and then the last thing is your GPU. All right, so right now we're snapping together our Lian Li fans. Woo! Oh, it looks sexy.
Okay, so basically you're gonna line them up right there,
Here and there.
and you just gotta clip. Takes a little pushing, but it should clip right in. You can route up to 4 together, I believe.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and we'll use these as
And that's
intake
how it
fans.
connects.
Yep. So now
You
at
just
the
need-
edge, we will grab one of these, and of course there's a mess because we have a ton of RGB fans. Lian Li makes it easier. Instead of having 6 cables coming off of this, we have one.
Oh, that's so badass.
And this, I don't know exactly. Okay, I think it's the other end. Yes, it should be. I just, right up here, I'm gonna fit this in and just slide up. And now we have our fans ready to be connected. And these are gonna be our intake fans for the front.
Okay. Just need to hook it up to this hub. All right, so we just took off the Intel back plate, put on the AMD one.
How do I?
Squat this in. Squat it in. Get it in there. Get it in.
They're all in. We just gotta screw them in.
Cool. All right, here are these big boys for. Okay, so for now, that's how it looks. Pretty clean in there. I know right here it looks a little bit messy for right now. Still have a little things to fix. Okay, it is now time for this bad boy.
Feels like
Let's see it.
ominous music.
We love to see it. Ow! My stomach.
Sorry.
Whoa.
Put that back there.
Whoa.
Cool.
Strix.
Oh my god, this thing is massive.
I touched it first.
Jesus. Oh my god.
That's massive.
How big this is.
That's a thick ass boy.
This is like as big as the case.
Oh my. Slider.
What the hell? What? Ooh. Ooh.
Looks like my toothpaste. Damn. How heavy is it?
It's pretty heavy.
Oh. This is one of your final moments, boy.
Is this a PCIe cover?
Yeah. Take it off.
Oh my god. Alright.
Slaughter dude. Slaughter dude. Go down. Go down. There
Oh.
you go.
There it is.
Oh my Lanta.
Let's get a shot of this whole thing. It's gorgeous. And we can, yep, trim those down now. That is sick.
Time to screw it in.
Oh my god.
Wowie. That's a lot of color.
Oh, we gotta turn this.
Totalmente. Não posso falar.
Slick.
Já é
20 degrees.
cor, não?
Nice.
As cores do
Pretty.
That is gorgeous.
All right, so what Raphael was working with before was a, yeah, you can just look at it.
It's a 7th gen i5. Forget the specific model number.
The acrylic case. Was it 1060?
Yeah, 1060 to 3 gigabyte.
3 gigabyte 1060. But also the reason why I needed an upgrade, because he got this damn monitor for Christmas. This thing is huge. And obviously that 16 or that 1060 was slacking.
It was struggling, to say the least, to run on there.
So thank the Lord. I do get this shit out of here. This hunk of junk is off the table. A new king is in town.
Right. Gotta replace this boy.
Peel it, baby.
Let's do it.
Wow.
There
So
it is.
clean. I'm gonna put my hand on it.
Oh wait, there's the one on the inside.
Oh, there's one on the inside.
I should have done that first. Now I gotta put my handprints on it.
Second edition.
Round 2. Fight.
Nice.
Alright, let's try to do it at the edge and see if it grabs.
Nice.
Sick.
Alright, all that's next really is to just, cable manage the desk, plug those in to there. But we're basically done, Raphael. Are you excited for your
I'm
new?
excited. It looks gorgeous.
Woohoo! Finally got the last step, my man. We accept. Finally installing.